Dipanjali. Welcome to Swad Bengal. Our today's recipe is fish finger. Usually fish finger or fish cutlet is made up of boneless fish like basa or bhetki. In our today's recipe, we will see how we can debone any kind of fish and make fish cutlet or fish finger of it. I have used rohu. You can use any fish which is available at your place. So let's see how we can make this recipe. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it and please press the bell icon so that you receive my every recipe notification. Let's begin.
Here I have considered 300 grams of fish fillet. I have considered rohu. You can consider any other fish. This consists around 6 pieces. I have washed the fish thoroughly. Now we will marinate the fish with 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and we will mix all the ingredients properly with the fish. We will mix the masala properly and keep the fish aside for 10 minutes to marinate. Meanwhile, we will heat a kadhai, add 1 tablespoon refined oil and fry the fish pieces once the oil is enough hot. One by one we will add all the pieces and fry it in high flame for 3 minutes. Once the fish is slightly fried from one side, we will flip it and fry it from the other side. Make sure we don't have to deep fry the fish, we have to slightly fry the fish. Once it is fried from both sides, we will take it out in a plate and keep it aside. Now our next step is to debone the fish. We can remove the longer bone in this way. As we have slightly fried the fish, it is very easy to remove all the bones. The fish is very flexible. See how easily we can remove all the bones. Similarly, we will remove the bones from all the pieces. Once we have removed the longer bones, we will also check for the soft bones and completely debone the fish. Now the fish is ready for cutlet. Now we will add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, and mix all the ingredients with the fish. We will also add 2 to 3 green chilies as per your taste and mix it properly. Meanwhile, we will heat a tawa and toast 2 slices of bread from both sides and make breadcrumbs of it. The breadcrumb should be very fine and smooth. You can also use grinder to make fine powder of it. Now we will add 30% of the breadcrumbs for making cutlet. We will mix it with the fish. This will help in the binding of the cutlet. You can also use potato for binding, but I have not used potato, so I have added some breadcrumbs. Now we will give shape to the cutlet. As we are making fish finger, we will give a cylindrical shape, long cylindrical shape in this way. More thinner and fine you make, more it will be crispy while frying the fish fingers. So in this way we will give the shape. Now we will take an egg and beat it with the help of a fork. Now we will dip the fish in the beaten egg and then coat it with the breadcrumbs. Coat it properly in this way. Similarly, we will repeat the procedure for all the fish fingers. Once all the fish fingers are ready, we will heat some oil in kadhai and deep fry the fish fingers. We will add all the fish fingers slowly one by one and allow it to cook from one side. Once it is cooked from one side, we will flip it and cook from the other side. Similarly, we will flip all the fish fingers and cook it evenly from all sides. Make sure while frying the fish finger, the oil should be in high flame initially and later it should be turned to medium flame once it turns light brown in color. Now it is evenly fried from all sides, so we will take it out in a plate. You can remove the extra oil in this way. Our fish finger is ready to serve. You can serve it with some tomato ketchup or mayonnaise as evening snacks or starters. Do try this recipe at your home and let me know your feedback in the comment section. If you like our recipe, please subscribe to our channel so that I can bring many more new recipes. Have a good day. Take care.